So we started giving him his constitutional drug, and it is now March 2022. So hardly 2 months हुआ है. So what is the change? Migraine case में सबसे पहले. Migraine is a functional disorder. तो उसको कितने बार attacks आए हैं headache के?
After coming to you, zero. After coming to you, absolutely zero. For migraine, I can tell you, maybe half an attack would have come in the first month itself, but zero.
So this is a 41 years old gentleman. He's basically a sales and marketing. What is your job?
It's sales and marketing of instrumentation products.
Okay. So it's a field job के बैठने का काम.
बैठने का काम ज़्यादा and field job is also there. So 80-20.
Okay. So you had come to me in January 2022, sorry, with complaints of psoriasis and migraine and backache. The three main issues थे. So कैसे कब से था psoriasis? Since how long?
Since my childhood, it was there, but it has flared up during the pandemic.
Okay. Any particular reason why it flared up?
Must be mental reason. We don't know that, but yes, I actually went to a lot of medications. You know, I took a lot of medications. I went to allopathy. I went to Ayurveda as well as homeopathy. Multiple other doctors, and I struggled a lot, and it all ended up being flared up. So it was only this much, and by the time I came to you, it was, you know, completely out of proportion.
Achha, so was it itching?
Lot of itching was there, lot of mental stigma was there because of you know, flakes and the entire house. You know, I was not able to go out of my house because of these issues, and you know, I was in trouble. I can tell.
अच्छा, ऐसा तो नहीं था ना कि कोविड के बाद कोविड हुआ आपको?
नहीं.
कोविड का वैक्सीनेशन लिया?
Yes, लेकिन वो वैक्सीनेशन तो it was afterwards. You know, I was struggling just before that.
अच्छा, ठीक है. बैकएक?
बैकएक एक हाथ दो बार एपिसोड आया था, लेकिन it was not as bad as it used to be before.
Okay. And psoriasis proper?
Psoriasis, 1 month I could say कि मैं थोड़ा struggle हुआ because I think even I was getting acclimatized to your medication. But today I can tell you I'm much more happier coming to you because I think 80% relief है मुझे, which is a very big number in last 2 years. I can tell you it has been pathetic for me. So 80% relief is more than 200% for me, if you ask me.
So initially, see, he has a very strong family history of psoriasis from his father's side. तो वो tendency को break करने के लिए we started with the nosode and then followed with the constitutional drug. And hardly, if the correct drug is correct, then in 2-3 months only you get this much relief. But now अभी तक relief है. Over a period of time, it is going to take some time for the entire cure to take place. Thank you.
Thank you.